welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notifications bell so you can be notified to see more videos like this. Over the next couple days, I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day gifts for my boyfriend. So first off, today I'm going to be painting some pictures of characters that he likes from a show called Naruto. I will put my reference photos up here. So I'm just gonna go get changed into some painting clothing and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back in this painter shirt. It's all raggedy, has holes and paint splatters on it already, and I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, so I am almost done finishing this painting. I was thinking of doing this painting in like a 4 painting series, so like I'll have one of this character and then 3 more, and then one of the characters is actually going to be an anime version of my boyfriend. So this is where we are at so far. It's kind of taking a long time because there are like little small pieces that I keep having to like go in with a toothpick, but I'm gonna keep painting. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm currently in a onesie with my painting like shirt over top. I have been painting all morning trying to get my first painting finished. I'm not quite sure if I'll have the time to complete all 4 of the paintings that I want, because this one did take like 2, kind of 3 days-ish for me to finish. Today is Thursday, so I think if I want to get everything done by Sunday, I might only have time to do like 2-3 max paintings, but I think I'm just gonna finish them throughout the rest of the month anyways so that he can have them. And here is the finished product of my first one. This is Naruto. I did reference this photo to seal everything inside. I used a matte Mod Podge, which is basically like glue, but it dries clear. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm really excited to see how this painting looks in his room with like LED lights, because you know each color is gonna look different, so I'm very excited to see that. I am notoriously a very cheesy person. I like to do things that have lots of thought. I love receiving things that have lots of thought. Like last year for Valentine's Day, I gave my boyfriend a jar filled with reasons why I loved him. And you know, stuff like that I think means more than just like expensive materialistic items. I'm gonna go brainstorm and then go work out, and I will check back with you guys after my workout and then maybe go to the store. So I kind of look like a mess, but we're just gonna ignore that. I just finished my workout and I got my protein shake right here. If you want the recipe to this, go watch out my What I Eat Today. But I'm just waiting for my dad to get home so I can go to the store. Gonna buy my boyfriend's favorite snacks. In the meantime, I'm gonna get started on the second painting, and I found this picture that someone made. I don't know who, but someone made this piece of art and I was like, this kind of looks like my boyfriend, so I'm going to change it up a bit, use it as a reference, paint it to be my boyfriend. Okay, so I'm back into my painting clothing. I'm gonna get started on my second painting. Now, since I didn't get to show you guys the process of how I did my first painting, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it with this one. So basically, I just took my reference photo. I want the same like pop art kind of theme to go on, so I'm gonna separate everything into colors, make different little sections. But what I do is I cut out this part and then I'm going to trace it onto my canvas. I traced around the photo just like this. How I actually do each individual piece and get all of these different sort of sections instead of freehanding it, what I do is I cut away at each piece. So for instance, I'll maybe do the hair, then the headband, then take the ears off. The face I do freehand for the most part, and then you know I just keep doing that until I get this fully traced. I'm currently painting the second one. Here it is. I went to the store, got some Skittles, Sour Patch Kids, and some chips, and I'm gonna assemble all that later tonight. I have finished the hair. Very impressed with my skill. I did mess up, but I'm just gonna cover that up later. I'm currently eating dinner. still working away at this painting. I really feel like I've been working for hours, haven't really accomplished much. Getting the headband done, have the hair done, you know, slowly picking away at this picture. At the rate that this is going, I'm going to be painting all day, every day until Valentine's Day. I'm also watching some Naruto while I'm doing my painting, so you know, very fitting. My boyfriend is like the whole reason of why I got into Naruto. He kind of forced me to watch it one day and I was like, no, this is gonna be absolute garbage. Like, how about, oh, there he is calling. Say hey to the subs.
Oh god.
Okay guys, it looks like it's going to be a long night. I'm determined on finishing this painting. It is currently 11:32. It's been at least an hour since I last checked in, and this is really all I've accomplished since then. I'm gonna go grab some stuff to assemble the Valentine's Day gift and create the other pieces that I want. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I don't really know if this is a vlog, but we're just gonna call it a vlog. It is glasses 12:22. I think that I'm just gonna call it quits right here where I'm at. I hate the colors that I chose, but you know, I think everything's gonna like look good eventually. Hey guys, so I'm back with all the stuff that I need to make this Valentine's Day box. So what I decided on was basically just filling a box with a bunch of stuff. I think I'm gonna get started on this box. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of line the bottom and then just like make it look really girly, even though it's for a guy. Next, I'm going to add a layer of this like tinsel kind of stuff. This would be just kind of like the bed that all of this stuff lays on. Next up, I'm going to put some of his favorite things inside. I have the first painting that I finished all ready to go. Put that right into here. I have some M&Ms, Skittles, and some Sour Patch Kids. I think I finally figured out how I want to arrange these. Now I'm gonna figure out like if I want to write some notes or something, so I'm gonna go look on Pinterest, get some ideas. Okay, so right now I'm gonna cut up an envelope out of this pink paper so I can like put little like love notes inside and stuff like that.
I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine.
I think we got it. Being the cheesy girlfriend that I am, I'm gonna put a nice little note in here. I made a fake little stamp. Not too shabby, I'd say. I'm gonna take one sheet of this and I'm just gonna like lightly wrap this Naruto painting. You can still see exactly what it is. Okay, cute. So I'll have a bag of chips. I think I'm just kind of gonna doodle on the box a little bit, and then I'm pretty sure that's all I'm gonna do. So this is the finished product. It kind of just looks like nothing now. I didn't really write much, but I wrote some of like our inside jokes here. Okay, so I kind of looked a mess for this whole entire video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notifications bell so you can be notified anytime I post more content like this. Whether you're single or taken, I hope you guys have the best Valentine's Day ever. I love you all and good night.